Good morning. It's Wednesday, May 13th, and this is your distance learning lesson. We're to the letter L, and guess what? Lunch outside today. I hope it doesn't rain, and I hope you can have fun doing that. For reading, find a quiet spot, maybe when you're out having your lunch, and read for 30 minutes. Remember, your Raz-Kids assignment is due by Friday. In math today, we are at the end of chapter 14, so it is the review pages. So turn to page 943 to 946. What I'm going to do is give you some helpful hints for each page. If you have any questions while you're doing it, please call or text or email me so I can help you. We usually do the vocabulary page together, but I thought you could do this on your own. On page 943, each of the boxes are labeled with a vocabulary word, and you're supposed to draw an example of that. Use the vocabulary cards that come at the beginning of the chapter. Also, page through the chapter and look back at where it's labeled key concepts, and there will be pictures there and definitions to help you with your drawings. On page 944, using those vocabulary cards and key concepts again will help you with this. 13 and 14, they're looking for parallel, perpendicular, or intersecting lines. 15, you're going to draw an angle that's 1/4 of a turn. Go back and look at that lesson and see how it looks. 16, what kind of an angle is that? Right, acute, or obtuse? 17, what kind of a triangle is that one? Again, acute, right, or obtuse. Number 18, write the type of quadrilateral that best describes the shape. And for 19 and 20, please draw a line of symmetry for each. One of them will have more than one. Now, for page 945, when you do number 21, they're asking you to look at the degrees of the angle. It's 4 o'clock. You can see that with the red hour hand, but then it says that how far the minute hand has turned in degrees as a fraction of a full turn. I want you to know that the minute hand stopped on the 3. So is that 1/4, 1/2, or 1 full turn? That's what they're asking you. For 22, they want to know what kind of angles are in a capital K. So my hint to you is draw a capital K and look at the angles. 23 and 24 you can solve by using again the vocabulary cards or the key concepts. And then the last page of the review we usually do together also, but I think you can do this. All they want you to do is to draw a shape and then label where are the line segments in this shape, where are the angles, and does your shape have a line of symmetry? So please, when you are done, take a picture of all 4 pages and send it to me. Thank you. Today I thought I'm going to throw in a different type of writing. This is called an I am poem. And you can either put this right in, copy what I have and put it in your journal, or write it on one of the notes in Seesaw. Copy the words that are already there and then you fill in the blanks. What's kind of fun about this is that, do you see the 2 words I am several times in this poem? As the author, you can choose to write the same words each time next to I am, or you can change it. I'm going to start this today with you, and then tomorrow we'll finish it. So this is my I am poem. I put I am a teacher who loves her students, and I am going to put that on every single I am line. Then I'm going to complete the first stanza today. I wonder why it is still so cold in May. I hear the wind and rain beating on the window. I see student work appear on my screen. I want to help them with their work at Banfield. I am a teacher who loves her students. You can get this much started today. If you want to finish the whole thing today, you can. Tomorrow, I will continue my I am poem, and then you can do the same. In science today, remember the Brain Pop video you watched on Monday? It was about sound, right? Well, today you're going to make a kazoo, and you're going to be able to make some sound with it. To do this kazoo, you need a cardboard tube, pencil, wax paper, and rubber band. If you're missing any of these supplies, just substitute something that's close to it. Have fun making your kazoos and making some sound today. Your read aloud, we're going to do chapter 6 of Harry Potter. For music today, Mrs. Zerke said to play Name That Tune with family or friend, or practice writing and performing rhythm patterns, or check out her music posts on Seesaw. Mrs. Hotchkiss said, draw a picture of something that is fun or makes you happy and show the picture to someone else. Guys, enjoy eating outside today. It should be a fun day. And if it's raining, spread out a blanket on the floor and eat like you're having a picnic inside. Have a great day.